Hello and welcome to my first video in React. Today I will show you how to create a project in React. First, we need to have an editor installed, such as Visual Studio Code. I would prefer you to use Visual Studio Code, because it is one of the best editors of this time. To create a project in React, Node.js must also be installed. It is recommended to always use the latest version. It is also preferable to use Git as a terminal. Git Bash is what we will use when creating the project in React. You can find the way to install all these programs in the links located in the description. Now we will show how to create a project in React. First, we create a folder where the project will be saved. Now we will open the terminal to mark the commands. When we click New Terminal, the PowerShell terminal opens first. To open the Git Bash terminal, we need to click on the arrow and click Git Bash. Git Bash terminal is now open. There are several commands for creating a project in React, but we will use the Vite method to create the project in React. The command is npm create Vite at latest. The reason why we are using the Vite method is because this is the newest and easiest method for creating a project in React. Now the name of the project should be marked here. The name of the package should also be noted. The Vite method is used to create projects through several frameworks. We must choose React. In React, JavaScript or even TypeScript can be used as a programming language. We will choose JavaScript. Now the project has just been created. Now we first need to enter the project and then install the Node.js package. The Node.js package was also installed and the project is ready. To run the project on the web, we must mark the command npm run dev. Here a link is generated for us. Click the link and open it in the browser. This is the initial view offered by this project that we have created using the Vite command. Index HTML is the file that opens the view that we see in the browser. This file shows the final view of the project. In the src folder, there is the main part of the project. Here is the main file that sends the code to the index file using the document.element method. File app.js is a component where we can mark the code that is a combination of HTML and JS code. This is the code that is appearing in the browser. This is HTML code or JSX code. In order to display the code of the app component, we need to export it. Import the app component to the main file. In the following videos we will show more about itch React.